Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, hello everyone. In this occasion, I would like to sharing my country destination, that is Scotland. So here I'm gonna show you the table contents. There is story, culture, food, and also castle and university. So okay, here about Scotland. So the capital city of Scotland is Edinburgh, and the area of country is 37.990 kilometer. And for the currency is pound sterling, and the official language is Scottish, Gaelic, English, British language. And next. So here I'm gonna tell you a little history of Scotland. Okay, so in inhabited by Celtic members of Picts and Scottish, and also the when abad 9, the Scotland became the Kingdom of Scotland. And before Scotland, after war with England, and yours is Wales and Britain. And in 1777, merged with England to become the UK. And in 1999, go with the Parliament, and from 2014 independence, and 2014 until now the Scotland was not independence, and not yet independence. Okay, and next. So here I'm gonna show you the national symbol of Scotland. So the first is the flag of Scotland. Flag of Scotland is the shelter or stay under cross, and this blue flags, flag white and diagonal cross, present saints under the patron saints of Scotland. And the national animals is unicorn. Unicorn is Scotland national animals, mystical creature symbolizing purity, strength, and magic. And floral symbol. Flower symbol is crystal or crystal flower. Crystal flower is national flower in Scotland. Is chosen for its resilience and protective nature. It is a symbol of the Scottish spirit. And the national symbol of the music is not an official national music from Scotland, but a song like a flower of Scotland. And Scotland, the bird will gathered as official national anthem, inspired national pride and heritage. And other cultural and historical symbols that I choose the bagpipe or Scottish flute. So the bagpipe is traditional Scottish with instrument is a strong cultural symbol, often played on ceremonies, parades, and festivals. The Scottish tradition. So the first is there is Highland games. The second is Hookmany or Scottish New Year's. The third is Burr Nights. The fourth is Tartan and Kick. And the fifth is Stay Under Days. And there is many more, but I just Scotland. In Scotland, has ancient climate influenced by the Gulf Stream. There is three here and in different district. The first one is the moist, the second is wind or sunny, and the third is cold temperature. Okay, so there is a nature scan of Scotland because I like view the good view that I choose Scotland because there is so many nature in Scotland that's good. The first one is there is Highland Scotlandia and there is Benefis and Glascantry Beach, Isle of Harris, and next one is Isle of Skye, and there is a national park in Scotland, and the last is Ellen Castle. Okay, next. So there is castle in Scotland. There is Edinburgh Castle, Island Castle, and the third is Glamis Castle. And this is three example of the magnificent castle in Scotland. Okay, and the next. Okay, next is university in Scotland. So the first one is the University of Edinburgh. The location is location in Edinburgh in Scotland, and for the second one is University of Glasgow. The location in Glasgow, Scotland, and the third is University of St Andrews. The location is St Andrews, Scotland, and the ranking of the third is university. The first one is ranked among so the top 20 university in UK and top 50 globally. And second is consistent in the top in 15 in the UK and top 100 worldwide. And the third is top university in Scotland and among top the 5 in the UK. Okay, so here I'm going to show you the traditional food or culinary Scottish. So first is there is haggis. So haggis is traditional Scottish dish made from sheep offal. And second is there is Scot pie. Scot pie is a small dark crushed meat and pie, typically filled with main mutton or other meats. And the third is there is Kalansing. Kalansing is primary smoked duck soup, often made with the potatoes and onion. And the fourth is Dundee cake. Dundee cake is a famous Scottish fruit cake made with currants, sultans, and almond, named after the cities of Dun. And the five is stockfish. Stockfish is warming dish made from leftover meat, potatoes, and onion. And the last is the Lanachan. Lanachan is traditional Scottish or dessert made by whipped cream, raspberries, toast, oats, and splash of whipped. Okay, next. So here the popular sport in Scotland. So the first there is rugby union. Second, as usual, like other country, that is football. The third is Highland Games. The fourth is golf, and the fifth is rowing. Okay, maybe that's all from me about my presentation about Scotland or Scottish. Yeah, I'm sorry if I have some mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.